Looking for a compact smart display that fits on your nightstand, kitchen counter, or workspace while delivering powerful Alexa functionality and entertainment? Today, I'm reviewing the newest Amazon Echo Show 5, which packs improved audio, a clearer display, and upgraded processing in a small, affordable package. If you find value in honest, to-the-point reviews, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly tech breakdowns. The new Echo Show 5 retains its compact 5.5-inch screen, making it the perfect bedside or office companion. The screen is crisp for weather updates, controlling smart home devices and video calls, while the design blends seamlessly into any decor with its minimalist, fabric-covered look. It's small enough to fit almost anywhere, while providing a functional display for your smart home needs. Amazon has improved the speaker quality in this Echo Show 5, giving it clearer vocals and richer bass for its size. It's perfect for listening to music, podcasts, or using it as a bedside alarm with your favorite tunes. While it won't replace a dedicated speaker for parties, it's excellent for daily casual listening. The Echo Show 5 integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to set alarms and timers, control smart lights, thermostats, and cameras, get news, weather, and calendar updates, watch Prime Video, Netflix, and more. Make video calls using the front-facing camera. With the upgraded processor, responses are noticeably faster, and the device feels snappier in daily use. The Echo Show 5 includes a 2MP camera for video calls and drop-in features, and it now offers clearer video quality for its size. Concerned about privacy? Amazon includes a physical camera shutter and built-in microphone/camera controls for your peace of mind. Pros: compact and versatile design, improved audio quality, Alexa functionality with the display, camera with privacy shutter, affordable price point. Con: small screen for video content, limited app ecosystem for non-Amazon streaming, no built-in Zigbee hub like the Echo Show 10. The Echo Show 5 is a great entry-level smart display for those who want Alexa with visual feedback in a small, affordable package. It's ideal for a smart alarm clock, kitchen countertop assistant, small desk companion for video calls. If you found this review helpful, give this video a like to help it reach others looking for a straightforward take on the Echo Show 5. Comment below, what do you use your Echo devices for most often? Check the description for affiliate links to the latest pricing and deals to support the channel while upgrading your smart home. And don't forget to subscribe for clear, honest reviews that help you buy smarter and live smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.